Sanbanani, welcome back to Umkosinaphile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for coming. Thank you very much. So yeah, angizokuba mde kule video guys, ngizocela ukuthi simamele le ntombazana eyabophisa ke uNota Baloyi wathi nomdlwengulile. I think finally she's got something to say. Ikhona into afuna ukuthi ayishare ke nomphakathi. Ngizocela siye simamele bafethu kungaphawuli mina ke sizwe ukuthi ithinde intombazana.
Hey everybody, I hope you are well. I know I haven't come out and said anything and spoken for a very long time since the drama unfolded in my life, and that has got people worried, wondering if I'm okay, where I'm at like mentally, if I'm dealing with how everything has gone. And I just did want to come out and tell you guys that I am okay. It's been hard. It's been really, really hard. Like, I'm not saying that it's easy, but I'm dealing. So yeah, man, like it's been such a challenge to me being exposed in such a way, my personal life being out for people to pick apart and come up with their own theories and beliefs or whatever about the type of person that I am. And everybody's entitled to their own opinion, but I do want to just like remind people that sometimes the things that you read them without context, and I'm not ready to provide the context just yet. The reason why I'm keeping quiet, it's not to do with the fact that, oh, I'm afraid to come out and challenge what has been said. It's about the fact that this is a criminal matter. You know, I opened a case because this is a criminal matter, not because I'm out here with the interest of destroying people or whatever. Something happened, you understand? You know, so I went to the law because of something that happened to me, something that is true. But again, it is your opinion what you see or what you don't see, you understand? So I'm not here to challenge that. My thing is, just keep in mind that you don't have the full story, and there's certain things that you haven't seen and things that happen behind closed doors that you haven't been a witness to. But anyway, still, I don't want to give so much information out there that the person that I'm going up against knows exactly where my mind is at, so that they can come up with whatever theories that they want to come up with come the day they have to go to court. I'm not going to give that person that kind of information. I'd rather they be blank so that they can tell the story that they've told all over social media over and over and over and over again, so that the judge can deal with them as honestly as possible. Do you understand? So I don't want to influence that process at all, and that is why I'm keeping quiet. I don't want to make things harder for the prosecution. Do you understand? But in terms of like how I'm feeling about how everything has gone, I'm coming to terms with the fact that not everybody has to like me, and I'm not a perfect person. Do you understand? And I'm okay with that. Before, I used to feel like, because I've been in the public eye since I was a child, I always felt that I needed people to be happy with me in order for me to be happy with myself. But this whole situation has challenged that part of me to the core, where I've had to look and be like, shit, people don't like me. And I'm just like, what am I going to do with that? And then I realized that actually, it doesn't matter if people like you or they don't, or they don't like you, whatever. And as a matter of fact, this is the first time my life has actually ever been balanced. It's healthy for people to have some people that like you and some people that don't. Not everybody is going to like you, but this is the first time that this has happened to me in my whole life. And I'm learning that that's okay, and that it's natural, it's balanced, it's fine. Like, you continue with your life. And now it's also like they made me re-evaluate why I do things. Do I do things to please people, or do I do things because, you know, there's a certain calling on my life? Do I do things because it's my purpose? So it has forced me to sit down and just like redefine what my purpose is. Why am I here, Lord? You understand? So yes, and I talk to God. You don't own God. People make me feel like I'm not allowed to have a relationship with God because of what has happened in my life. That is more so why I need that relationship with God, because clearly I've made certain mistakes, you know. Clearly I need to speak to God and be like, you What the heck did I do to get myself into this kind of situation? But at the end of the day, what I need you guys to understand is that, again, when you see a situation planning out, don't make assumptions. I would not have gone and opened a criminal case if something criminal didn't take place. I have no interest guys, I don't want to say a lot. I really don't, because people will take it and fly with it. Because clearly we've seen how sensational the papers can get, and not even the papers have actually been quite neutral. It's more the social media spaces, which is a given, because vele people like drama, and I understand that my life is now, it's entertainment. People are very much detached from the reality of the situation that's happening, and you don't feel what I'm feeling, and you don't understand like how but it's okay. I'm not mad because I feel like if I was in that position as well, I'd be just as entertained, or I'd also want to give my opinion, and I'd also like analyze the way that I want to analyze, and that's just the nature of how the machine works. It just so happens that the topic that is being discussed is my topic and my life, and it's okay, it's fine. So I was also a bit relieved when now the topic was dying down a little bit. Now we're talking about Casper. Casper's going through the most, but I'm also like, Shabang Casper. But at the end of the day, like, people are always gonna be involved. Magnet drama about Makona, especially in a country like South Africa, one of the most dramatic people that ever existed. So I understand now. I'm part of that machine. When shit goes down, everybody's just like, who's will? Hey, what? So I understand. It's Sauda. I understand. But at the end of the day, please do understand, as much as it's drama, it might be entertaining for some people, there's actual real life happening here, and an actual real crime has taken place. And even if they don't prosecute, don't assume it's because there was a lie that was told. Sometimes they don't prosecute because they just don't have enough evidence to prosecute. Because when you prosecute something, it has to be beyond reasonable doubt. So if a story that they tell is somewhat likely, even possible, by the slightest minute detail, still they cannot prosecute because it's not beyond reasonable doubt, unfortunately. So I'm going to go to court. I'm going to try by all means to give them the entire story of what happened right from the beginning until the end, and try to offer as much evidence as possible. But I cannot predict what the outcome of this case will be. But all I know is that I am not telling a lie. Those who feel like I'm telling a lie, I'm sorry, but I'm not. So, but again, you are entitled to your own opinion and to your own beliefs. I'm not here to challenge that. But for everybody that's just worried about me, I'm okay. I'm dealing. It's life, guys. It's life. Like, not everything is gonna be perfect. I'm not expecting everything to be perfect. My face looks damn perfect right now with this filter. But sorry, guys, I'm still a clown. Allow me to be myself. I've always been this way. You people want to stop me from still having... It's like they want me to go throw myself into the Titanic or something and just die. Guess what? I'm not gonna die. I'm just not. God said I mustn't die, so I'm not gonna die. So I'm gonna continue being the goofy same self that I've been. You try to take that away from me. You try to make me afraid. But it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Keep trying. It's not gonna happen. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna continue living my life. The weather is great. You're not gonna stop me from enjoying how beautiful this weather is, and you're not gonna stop me from enjoying everything that I used to enjoy. I'm still gonna make music. I'm still gonna do me, because why not? No. Okay. I'm okay, guys. Love you. I'll see you guys at the end of the trial. I just pray that God is with me and that the prosecution can see what happened. Not in the way that people analyze. They must analyze use the law, not use opinions, not use favoritism. and not use money